I'm gonna make pizza, and my sister here, Jaleesa, is gonna make cookies. First, I'm gonna use the cheese.
First, I'm gonna do this.
I'm gonna put on this dough. Let me show you what the dough is. It's this. No.
This.
I'm gonna use the sauce. This is the pepperoni sauce. Next is my ingredients. I'm gonna use the onion, the black olive. Then I think this is pepperoni. Then here's the broccoli. And then last, the ingredients, tomato and a mushroom. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the other pizzas. Now, Jaleesa, make your cookies. Show them what you're gonna do.
I want to make cookies.
Now I am almost done.
Me too. First, we got to
finish this right now. So we only got 2 left. And guys, guess what I'm making this for? I'm making this for the Super Bowl.
I'm making cookies.
I'm excited.
Me too. No.
After this one is the last one. I'm gonna be back in 5 minutes. Right now, I gotta warm the pizza up. Ding, ding, ding. Almost ready. And this is the pizza. This looks super yummy for the Super Bowl. Right now, Jaleesa is going, my sister is going in the kitchen for 5 minutes too. So I'm gonna go help her. And this is the cookies. Yummy, yummy.
Yum, yum.
That smells so good.
So good.
Don't forget
Bye.
to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when a new video is coming out. I like Super Bowl. And we made it. Here's our pizza. And here's our cookies. In a minute, something happened.